Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play the iconic Call of Duty Zombies theme on piano. This haunting melody, officially known as Damned by Kevin Sherwood, is a fan favorite. We'll break it down into manageable steps, starting with the basics. Remember, patience is key when learning any new piece. Take your time with each section, focusing on accuracy over speed. Let's get started on bringing this classic tune to life on your piano. Now, let's dive into the main melody, which is instantly recognizable. You'll primarily use your right hand for this part. Many players find success by focusing on a repeating three-note pattern, often starting with notes like B and E. The opening phrase usually involves a distinct four-note sequence. Practice this section slowly, ensuring each note flows smoothly into the next. This smooth execution is crucial for capturing the song's eerie atmosphere. Repeat until it feels natural. After the scan completes, a list of available Bluetooth devices will display on your watch screen. Carefully find and tap on the name of your specific earbuds from this list. Sometimes, you might need to confirm a pairing request on both your watch and the earbuds themselves. This step establishes a secure connection between your two devices, allowing them to communicate wirelessly. To truly master this piece, consistent practice is essential. Aim for regular, focused sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each day. Using a metronome will greatly help you develop consistent timing and improve your rhythmic accuracy. If you encounter a particularly challenging section, break it down into smaller, more manageable segments. Practice those parts until they feel comfortable, then gradually integrate them back into the full song. As your accuracy improves, slowly increase your tempo for a polished performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.